Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Twitter account. First thing you're gonna have to do is to go on twitter.com. Okay, so from twitter.com you can either sign with your Gmail account or you can sign up with your Apple ID, or you can sign up with your email address. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna say I'm going to sign up with a email address. Okay, so I'm going to click here. So I'm going to put my first name, they're going to ask you to use your phone number. I'm going to use an email address. That's of birth, June. I'm going to choose any year, 1963, and then you click next. Okay, they say track where you use Twitter content across the web. You can go next, and then you click sign up. They're gonna send you a verification code. So I'm going to my email address. So this is the code I'm looking for. I'm gonna copy it, go back to Twitter. I'm gonna paste it, click next. I'm going to enter a password. Click next, and you're gonna have to add, they're gonna ask you to add a profile picture. I'm gonna put Messi. I'm gonna click apply. I'm gonna click next. You can enter your bio from here. You can say just an alpha and click next. What are you interested in? It's up to you. You can choose from here. Okay, you can go next. Ooh, it's gonna ask you to follow someone. I'm just gonna say next. I'm not going to follow no one. And then you can say Skype for now, and you can change this, choose whatever you want. Like this will be your username. Okay, I'm going to put a username here that I'm going to hide. You click OK, and this is my profile. Okay, I'm ready to go. They say welcome to Twitter. This is the best place to see whatever happening in your world. Find some people and topic to follow, and then you say let go, and then you can follow whoever you want. Okay, so this is how you do to sign up on Twitter. I hope this video will help someone who is in it. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you guys soon. Ciao.